If you want to set alarm on your Samsung Galaxy A26, follow the simple steps. First of all, open up your clock. Now here at the bottom, locate your alarm. So now let's press plus to add our new alarm. First of all, choose the desired timings. For example, we want our alarm to set off at 8:13 a.m. Now choose the desired days. For example, I want it to be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Now let's give our alarm some kind of name. Great. Now we can set up alarm sound. So you can either set it from Spotify or choose your custom ringtone. You can also enable time and alarm name loud and gradually increase volume. Go back so you can set up a vibration pattern and you can turn on and turn it off. Of course, you can set up a snooze. So here's your interval, repeat. Also, you can set up alarm background if you want to, right? And when you're satisfied, simply press save and now your alarm is set. If you want to disable it, simply tap on the switch near it. It's disabled. If you want to delete it, hold your finger on it and press delete right here at the bottom, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.